Okay, we got our neck all shaved down and sanded down. Fits inside the body where I want it to go. So we got our mark where we made our center for this. So what we're going to do, put the back of the head on here. What we have to do here is we have to, oh no, that's okay, it's fitting just fine. So we're going to slide the back of the head on. We'll slide that on to hold it, and we're going to drill for our stick. It's about 2.5 inches that we're going to drill here. And we're going to drill 1.25 inches into here so we can mount our stick. This is 1.25 inch bit. We'll put that on our center mark where we wanted it. Now our stick will go in here, and we'll glue this in, and then after I let it set up, then we can drill our hole for our string. So if you enjoy my videos, please like on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.